First of all, many congratulations to those who have cleared prelims this year. And for those who couldn't make it this year, better luck next time. Don't worry, it is not all over for you. It is just an one result where you have failure. And see, there is a difference between defeat and failure. So in defeat, like for example, India-Pakistan match, Pakistan defeated India. So in this case, India don't have any chance to change this result of this match, right? So it is defeat. But in case of failure, you can have next attempt. You can make it in next attempt. You can still become IAS. You can still become IPS, right? For those for whom it was last attempt, still everything is not over. Still you can target some PCS exams. Still you can go to your professional course and still you can live a very better life because यूपीएससी लाइक एक कहावत है कि आप यूपीएससी करते हो तो आप लाखों में एक बन जाते हो. मतलब आपकी जो पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट होती है, आपका जो नॉलेज गेन करते हो, जो स्किल्स आप डेवलप कर सकते हो, आप लाइफ के किसी भी वक्त उसको यूज करके लाइफ में अच्छे इंसान बन सकते हो. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट्स फेलियर एंड ऑल, राइट? एंड डोंट स्टार्ट कंपेयरिंग यूपीएससी रिजल्ट्स विथ योर लाइफ, राइट? Life is too big and UPSC exam is very small in front of your life. This is the statement of one of the former UPSC chairman. He said during interaction with the students, you make UPSC comparable to the life. Don't make it. UPSC is just an exam. It is just a means to achieve what you are aspiring for. Anyway, your desire, aspiration is to serve the people. So there are other ways to serve the people. So don't start comparing life with UPSC exams and particularly prelims, right? It is very common. Failure in the prelims is very common. Even many toppers, they failed in the prelims initially and try to learn from your mistakes. And sometimes it is blessing in disguise. How? Because this time like अगर ये केस समझो कि आप क्लियर भी करते, अगर आपका मेंस अच्छे से प्रिपेयर नहीं होता तो इंटरव्यू जाते, मैक्स क्या होता कि आपको एक सर्विस मिलता, लेकिन कौन सा जो आप डिजायर नहीं, IAS IPS मिलने के चांसेस कम होते हैं अगर आपका मेंस अच्छा प्रिपेयर नहीं है तो ब्लेसिंग इन डिस्गाइज इन द सेंस यू हैव स्टिल गुड टाइम. यू कैन प्रिपेयर योर ऑप्शनल वेल. You can make notes for all the topics mentioned in the syllabus for GS, for optional, and you make sure कि अगली बार जब आप प्रीलिम्स क्लियर करोगे तो आप अच्छा रैंक ला पाओगे. इस तरह से आपको अभी प्रिपेयर करने के लिए चांस मिल सकता है. दैट इज ब्लेसिंग इन डिस्गाइज. अगेन लाइक आई नो इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट after the failure to again go to the reading, to start the reading the same sources, start preparation. So you can take 1 or 2 days break and start afresh. Every breath is fresh, every morning is fresh, every morning comes with the sunrise, beautiful sunrise, a beautiful day ahead. So don't worry about it, right? And don't start doubting your abilities. Like this is the statement said by one of the top UPSC topper. Twice he was IRS and now he is IPS, right? So he said like people start doubting abilities after 1 or 2 failures in exam. It is not like that. Only thing like what you did was not as per the requirement of the UPSC for that year particularly, right? So don't worry, next year you might get rank 1, right? So don't worry about your abilities and all, and stop comparing to life. As I was said, what next? So अब क्या करना है, right? Just simply think, there is one good saying of Akbar, ये वक्त भी चला जाए, Birbal, when he said to Akbar, ये वक्त भी चला जाएगा. So bad patch will go, definitely it will go. So you just have to keep faith in yourself. You have to be very consistent, persistent in what you are doing. So for those who couldn't make this year, prepare mains in a such a way that next time after prelims it will be only revision, right? You don't need to read mains again. And those who have made this year, so you can focus more on the mains and maximize your chances to become IAS or IPS, right? Then towards end, only thing I want to say you is कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. तो आप कोशिश करते रहो. You keep fighting, keep faith in yourself, keep faith in your abilities, keep faith in your capacities and all. और एक सिंपल एक चीज है मैं जो बोलना चाहता हूं कि आप किसी भी एक पत्थर को भगवान मान लो और उसको फॉलो करो by letter and spirit, you will get good results. What happens most of the time you start changing your gods, you start changing your mentors, you're changing your sources and all. आपको आपके भगवान पे ऊपर ट्रस्ट नहीं है तो किसी भी पत्थर को समझो, फॉर एग्जांपल आउट ऑफ 3000 if 1000 get selected, around 1000 or 700, that means there are 700 ways to make it into the list, and still there are 2300 ways नॉट टू गेट सेलेक्टेड. तो ये भी लोग हैं जो आपको बता सकते हैं कि आपको क्या चीजें नहीं करनी है. राइट. सो किसी के भी ऊपर एक ट्रस्ट कर लो और वो जो बोल रहा है उसको फॉलो करो. यू विल डेफिनेटली गेट गुड रिजल्ट्स. बिकॉज इट इज नॉट ओनली कि इस आदमी के पास जाओगे तभी आपको रिजल्ट मिलेगा, इसके पास जाओगे तो नहीं मिलेगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. सिर्फ एक चीज होती है कि आपको ट्रस्ट नहीं होता है आप जिसके पास जा रहे हो, और उसी में पूरी गड़बड़ हो जाती है. राइट. So thank you very much.